Namaskar is a monthly horoscope, July 2021, and all these predictions are again according to your moon sign, or you can take this whole prediction according to your rising sign, your ascendant, for all of you. Taurus monthly brief forecast, month of July. Taurus, you will be quite happy during this phase of time. Your efforts will start giving you good results. Taurus, you will enjoy a good relationship with your parents, seniors, government authorities. Long distance travel shall be rewarding. Your friends, associates will assist you in everything. Your mind will bend toward spiritualism, the higher philosophy of life. There are chances of entering into new business, change of job. Your opponent will not be able to do any harm. Minor health issues are quite possible. You'll be extremely happy during this phase of time. Due to your caliber and skill, the result you receive will be fantastic. You'll come in contact with professional people, decision maker. You'll be respected. Your fame will be rising. Family life will be quite satisfactory. You'll make strenuous effort to satisfy your aspiration. By and large, you'll be successful. The workload will be tiring. Your keen observation will pay dividends. The state of your health will be satisfactory. You'll get the next result in this period. You'll find sudden stroke of luck. Your social circle will be widened. This is not a good period for love, romance. Living conflict or enmity with your sweetheart is possible. Your expenditure will be quite high unexpectedly. Traveling will not be much use. There are chances of getting involved in risky jobs. Probably this is not a very right period to take a huge risk. Minor health issues could also be possible. Due to Ketu's position 7th house, you must be aware of any health issue, any kind of a relationship complication, confusion in the relationship, health issue linked with lower abdomen. Both and Rahu in 1st house. You must be aware of wrong decision, combination of ego and aggression. Watch your mannerism, watch your expression, watch your decision and choices. And be aware of any kind of a conflicts. Be aware of cheating, deception, fraud. And may I say that Mars, Venus in 3rd house, you must be aware of any kind of a relationship scandal, financial losses, fine, penalty, punishment. You must watch your word of speech, behavior, mannerism, attitude toward other people. You might need a complete monthly horoscope report from our website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month, define you Sun's transit, that will define you how the authority will behave toward you regarding decision makers. How your Mars will the whole impact on you regarding your courage and confidence and family support. How your Mercury's behavior toward you for the whole month regarding your flow of income, regarding your career growth, regarding how you're developing your business career. Venus transit regarding your love life, regarding your luxuries, regarding your fame and image. An extensive monthly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of need to get out from any kind of a ugly situation. What precautions you must implement to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must do to achieve the supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.